What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. You know it's your boy King, and we're there for chat the damn thing. And today we're gonna talk about Mesa Greenwood situation once again because we have some update for Guna. Some day for Guna update. So I'm sit back and wait, and while I wait, I'm gonna smash that like button. I'm gonna smash that like button. Wanna subscribe? Wanna can do so right now. You see me on the way to 2K subs, so to help we get right there. And in the meantime, between time, people, you don't know, we are. Express my feelings, start my mind. Yeah, you don't know how to express your feelings and talk with mind. And while we are doing so, people, while we're at it, we have to big up our very, very first sponsor on the show. We have to big up Jet Ski Car Rental, people. When you need a car, if you take on a far, look no more. Just go over there and tell Jet Ski say a King send and you might get a discount 100%. Not 100% discount, but 100% will get a discount if you make Jet Ski know say a King send from Pree TV. So if you don't want a car rental, people, look no further. Big up yourself, Jet Ski. But yeah, back to the topic at hand. So people, Steve McLaren went on an interview with Sportsmax and he was asked a few questions. And to my surprise, him answer some of the questions them in a way where me have to break it down to one. Not to say me have to break it down to one, but me have break it down because some hidden things in the interview. You see me, the man was asked about the usual Mesa Greenwood question. You see me, make we run it. Make we run it and tell me what I think about it.
We're looking forward to see if Mason Greenwood would be part of any of these camps. I know in the past you have said that, listen, he wants to play for Jamaica. You continue to have conversations with him. Where are we now?
Yup, where are we now? Where are we now? Mesa Greenwood. Every 3 months, every 2 months, I have to be doing a video on Mesa Greenwood. Sometimes I'm tired for the video on Mesa Greenwood, in all honesty. But we're there once again because we have an update. And we have to go into the update. So there was a journalist asking the coach, where are we now as it relates to Mesa Greenwood? And in all honesty, the first response that we got, I swear things said the coach that be politically correct and just fling with the question because this is what the coaches do. Sometimes them don't even answer the question. Them just talk some things and make you feel like them answer the question and they didn't really answer the question. I'm going to think of that Steve McLaren that do, with this response.
Exactly, probably where we were when I first started the job. And I think the process has been long.
Yeah, see that? I think I hit that. Exactly where we were when we just started. And I'm like, Jano Star, we're not going to get nothing from him. The coach not give with nothing. Yo, me I said, Jano Star. And then the man went on and said, the process has been extremely long. Not only we know about the process, we hear about all kind of thing. We know say it's been held up for this, that, and the old lady. And I'm like, Jano, all right, then I could go and listen further and see if the coach give like a secret out the bag. If you see what I go on, because this is what I'm saying after that.
But we're coming to the end of that, where I think they will be in a position in which they have to make a decision of when exactly, because everything is in place. So when exactly?
Hear that? It's coming to decision day. Because everything is in place. What do you mean by everything in place? Coach, Steve, what do you mean by everything in place? What do you mean exactly by everything is in place? I don't know what I mean, coach, but I mean, is that everything in place? That excite me now, coach. Everything in place. Yeah, tell me say everything in place. Run it and hear what I'm saying.
And when you say everything in place, does that mean that he has gotten his Jamaican passport or he's close to getting it?
Very, very close, and I can't see any.
People want to hear that? When you say everything in place, what does that mean? coach response was very, very close. The man said, very, very close. Yo, people, that is the last stage, That is the yeah. I know see I forget clearance from the association, but once the man have passport in a hand, nobody can tell him no. The man have him passport him. That is it. That is it, people. From the passport job, no one can stop. You see me? But yeah, make we listen some more what the coach have said.
So I think we're coming to that stage, and that will be very, very soon because we have very, very big games
coming up.
Yeah, that's the man say. I think we're coming to that stage because we have very, very big games coming up. So what does this mean? I'm gonna tell you what this means to King. This means that them already know what time Mason Greenwood are forward. Mason Greenwood are wait for the second round when the real big game them forward. Don't get me wrong, no disrespect to BVI, no disrespect to Guatemala. But the real part of World Cup qualifying starting at the second round. When we have to play the Panamas them, if we have to play them, because it's all depending on ranking for see where we'll be drawn in the second round. But him said the real big game them coming up. And people, no disrespect, I don't think BVI is no big game. I don't think Guatemala is no big game. No, we have to go out there to get the job done. Don't get me wrong, The man them have to go out there to get the job done. But him said we have some real big game coming up. So I think a decision has already been made. And it's about the big game, the second round of World Cup qualifiers, people. Time to get excited, people. Time to get excited. What the coach said. The coach said, and not me. But here the last interesting part about the Mason Greenwood saga, what the coach said. And this is what everybody has said. People mean I'm an England jersey today. Don't ask me how me I doing an England jersey. Can dash this for dash and burn up and lie. But people love ask about who England, him go back to England. This is what the coach have to say.
Is there a lack of enthusiasm?
No, definitely not. I spoke with Mason, and all Mason wants to do is play football. You see that when he's out on the grass. He just wants to play football.
With Harry Kane in the twilight of his career, is there any possibility that Greenwood could still be harbouring some outside hope of England being interested in him? And could that be a part of the hold-up?
That's never been expressed to me by himself or by the people who are around him. So no, I don't think that's an issue. It's a very complex situation. And when you were in the UK, at the time that was happening, that was traumatic.
Pressure.
That was traumatic for a young player to go through what he went through. So we understand, we back off, and we certainly say, you know when you're ready, and hopefully that will be soon.
See the people, so we can get rid of this England thing out of our mind, because Steve McLaren explained perfectly about the situation in regards to Mason Greenwood and about when he's ready. Him said the youth got through a traumatic situation to check the youth Instagram profile. The man have to turn off comments, baby mother, turn off comments, because guess what? The people them are England especially take this thing deep. Some people take it like a them embody it like a them. Something happen to you, get me? I say, and them they realize, say, yo, youths make mistakes. Youths pay for the mistake because the youths continuously pay for mistakes. You see me? And people have to grow up, move forward from that. And that's how we do. But there you have it from the coach. The coach said all time on a mouth and make you know set that at that. But interestingly enough about this squad, people, when you see the squad 1 to 26, it's listed 1 to 26 with number 1 being Andre Blake. So the mere fact that Andre Blake is listed as number 1, that is his jersey number, because also Dexter Lembikisa His jersey number is number 2. Amari Bell jersey number is number 3. Holgate is number 4. Pinnock number 5. King is number 6. And we definitely know so the man who wear the number 7 is Leon Bailey. Number 8 are Casey Palmer. Number 9 are Kaim Dixon. Number 10 Ratted. Roman Burrell wear the number 10. Kiss me neck back. Roman Burrell in at the big number 10. This is interesting. Number 11 are going to be Demarai Gray. Number 12, Dwayne Atkinson. Number 13 is going to be Shaquan Davis. Number 14, Isaac Aiden. Number 15, Latti. 16, Warner Brown. 17, D'Lo. 18, Jonathan Russell. 19, Kyle Ming. 20, Ronaldo Cephas. 21, Romario Williams. 22, Greg Lay. And 23 are usually a keeper. And the keeper is Jamal Waite. So now, interestingly enough, 24, 25, and 26. Remember, it's a 23-man squad. And I think on a match day, only 23 can be listed on the match card. Only 23 can be listed. Now, important note is that number 24 is Tyrese Campbell. Why is Tyrese Campbell actually number 24? Why am I wear the number 24 jersey on him? But I think the coach spoke about him, paperwork and where it is and where it did there. So I'm wondering if it's number 24 because he's not 150% sure yet with the paperwork and everything, not 150% done yet. I don't know. But we see the ball at dead in the camp, we see the ball at dead. Am I reading too deep into this? Is it that number 24 now have nothing to do with nothing? I don't know, but we see the ball do an interview, we see the ball at the end of camp, we see the ball at train. So let's see if that will not wait. But the mere fact said Bobby Reid at number 25, when we say Bobby Reid usually wear number 25, but he's at number 25. It can't coincidence, because number 7 Bailey and Bailey wear number 7, So is it that Bobby Reid that wear number 25? When we say Bobby Reid is injured, when we say Bobby Reid not fully fit. So is it that he is the number 25th player and I'm not sure if he's going to fit or not? Michael Antonio likewise is still injured. He's still injured, so we don't know if Michael Antonio will be ready for the tournament. So I think personally, number 24, 25th, and 26 spots are not there, are not listed by coincidence in the order that they are listed. That's just me making my wild guess. I could be wrong, but I just have a feeling that I might be right. Yeah, people, so this is my squad. I don't know what took the time out to actually go and is me edit the squad and make it look nice because JFF not dropped the squad yet. JFF, what are we upon? You want me sending this? I mean, sending this in a JFF. But this is a squad we'll find online. Is me will try to make it look neat. Try, you get me? I sense. Again, we try to integrate the visuals them with the stats and the facts to make the show a bit more interesting these days. Usually I do this live, but it was too late, so I had to pre-record it and give you guys it. So a few visuals. So we saw where Roman Burrell seemed like him gonna be the man in charge of the number 10 jersey, and he had a really good outing in my opinion. But as usual, we see them thing here. We like when we see the players them show them roots, show them in tune with the roots and the culture. So for me, one of the few things you can do for sure your Jamaican-ness is one you have a jerk chicken, which is me have to show you're in tune with the food and the music. But you see, when you got jelly, settings, you go a total different settings. You show us, yo, yeah, yard man, true and true. Mr. Roman Burrell post this on him status. The man got jelly settings, people. The man go wash off him art settings. And the normal settings him go, man. Big up yourself, Roman Burrell. And now I see that picture here and me ask down in the comment section if this will be our center half pairing. And talk to me if this will be our center half pairing. Talk to me down in the comment section also. And see it there, one Ravel Morrison in the World Cup qualifier squad, and who is that? Who that him a shake? Who for under him a shake? Javan East, people. Javan East, they are training with the ball of them. I'm not sure if him actually travel for the game, but it's actually a good look that he is here training. Don't know if I'm at the ball or coach at all, but I don't know. Only tell me which injured ball coach at all, by the way. But yeah, Javan East, they are trained them the overseas now. I don't know if he traveled with the team. This important Greek and Israeli clubs target Ronaldo Cephas ahead of the World Cup qualifiers. And truth be told, we hear what the coach said about Ronaldo Cephas, and we also saw his outing in the Unity Cup. I mean, I really think it would be some championship team or a Premier League team. Is mean no disrespect to the Greek and the Israeli teams, them I know that really good teams are over there, and European football that as well. But for me, really don't want to see us in England with that PS that is tailor-made for the Premier League or even the Championship or a League One or some top league in the top 5 European leagues in the world. So me I look on it. So yeah, people, there you have it. There you have it. I tried to bring to you guys as much as I could. But until next time, you don't know, people. And tell me what you think down in the comment section. Tell me what you think about what the coach had to say. He said a lot of interesting stuff. And tell me if the coach got it spot on or what you think. Until next time, it's your boy King. Thank you for watching. You don't know, people, smash the like on the video on your way out. And take care.